Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do something that I'm not going to tell you just yet. I want you to answer a question while you're sitting out there. What do all of these utensils have in common? Metal spoon, metal spatula, metal whisk. They have in common a set of pans, cookware, of which I only have two. My husband bought me this one, big, 12-inch, around Mother's Day. And these are amazing pans. I had read about them and didn't want to get myself involved with another set of nonstick pans that didn't work. I was so tired of buying nonstick pans that would end up peeling or cracking, or just after a while they just stopped working because there was so much peeling and cracking going on. And I just said, well, I'll just read about it. But I kept thinking this might be a good pan, so he bought it for me. These are wonderful pans. You can see it's called HEXCLAD because there's a hexagonal design laser cut into the surface of these pans. When you look at these pans and you feel them, there is a surface you can feel. It's not smooth. It has a bit of texture to it. There are peaks and valleys. The peaks are stainless steel and the valleys are non-stick. So when you are using these pans, you can use any one of these utensils. You can use your plastic or silicone, and you can also use your metal. They're amazing. You can stir with them and you won't hurt the surface because of how they have been crafted. You can use it up to 500 degrees in the oven. I think it's only in the oven. You wouldn't want to turn it up really, really high on your stove. Use a medium heat, medium high, and then turn it back down to like a medium low heat. Because of the way it's constructed, it's like a sandwich. It is a sandwich, really, the metal. If you look at this, this is your stainless steel on the outside. Then there's a layer of aluminum, then another layer of stainless steel that touches the food. And you won't get a whole lot of sticking. Now, if you still use a lot of oil and things like that, you don't have to use a lot of oil and butter with this. But I use this and I don't use any oil with it. The thing I use is water, or I use some veggie broth, and it doesn't stick. If it sticks a little bit, you can go and get your metal spatula and scrape it up. Washing is really easy. You can throw it in your dishwasher if you want, or you can also just use warm soapy water and it'll come right out. Or soak it for a little while with the soapy water and then come back and wash it later. These are the best nonstick pans I have ever used. When you're cooking, this handle does not get hot. You can have this hot over the stove, but this will not get hot. Very, very nice. This is a 12-inch that my husband got. I bought the 12-inch lid. Then I purchased, because that was kind of big for small things, so then I got the 10-inch. Here's the 10-inch and the 10-inch lid. Now I'm really wanting the 8-inch because this is too big and this is too big for some of the really small things that I want to do. So I'm going to get that as well. But guys, I'm telling you, if you have been looking for a non-stick pan that really, really stays non-stick. Now, this has been a few months for me. It hasn't been years, but it's been a few months. But I have no cracking, no peeling, no nothing. And I use all of these utensils in that pan and other things as well. I'm going to leave the website below. I'm not getting a dime for this. They're not sponsoring me. All I want to do is bring you information about things that I use that I really, really, really like using because they work. These pans work, okay? It cooks very evenly. It's really, really nice. It's because when you turn the heat up and that aluminum is a sandwich between the steel on both sides, it's like the heat gets in there and goes into the pan so that the food cooks very, very evenly. You don't have to worry about hot spots or cold spots. It's great for searing. Like if you're still a meat eater and you want to put some little bit of oil in here, very, very little, and you want to sear it, it does an excellent job with that. If you want to purchase any of these pans, go to their website, and you don't have to buy the whole set. There's a whole set. You don't have to buy the whole set. They also have individuals, and they just added another type of pan. They have a wok, they have a griddle, they have these pans. You can buy them with the lid or without the lid. The prices are a little high, but for the product, it's worth it. Sometimes you get what you pay for. You pay cheap, you get cheap. But these are a little bit more expensive than $30 or $40. I got them both on sale. So wait for the sale, and it's still not going to be cheap, but it's going to be cheaper than it was when you first looked at it. And they're running sales all the time. I think that's everything that I wanted to say. Please try these pans. You'll see in upcoming videos and some older videos too that I have used either one of these pans, and I really enjoy. So that's really the end of the video. And if you liked it, thumbs up, leave some comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell so that you can get the next video that we upload. Okay? Bye for now.